Hello kids, colors name kids, beautiful color kids. First color's name, this is color, orange color, pink color, yellow color, sky blue color, red color, blue color, light green color, brown color, light pink color. Kids, shapes drawing. Circle, hexagon, moon, triangle, star, heart, kids heart, shapes drawing and color pen kids, pink color, circle, purple color, hexagon, blue color, moon, brown color, triangle, green color, star, red color, heart, red color, heart, circle, hexagon, moon, triangle, star, heart. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.